Okay, so first of all, what you want to do is scroll all the way down here and select this link right here. Then just copy this. And now every time somebody is going to visit this link, you're going to get paid $23.10. Now let's say you get one visit every 10 minutes. And since there are 6 10-minute segments in 1 hour, that means $23.10 times 6 equals over $130 that you can make every hour using this method. What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple method that you can set up very easily that can make you over $130 every single hour that you're going to be doing it completely for free just by using Google Translate. Now this is not going to be one of those methods where you have to create a blog post, then translate it and paste it somewhere, make people read it. Actually, this method is way simpler than that. You don't have to create anything, you don't have to pay for anything, and the best part is you don't even have to sell anything for this to work. So all of this is completely for free, and I'm showing it for you to free. And all I would like to ask you is just make sure to smash that like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm. And also, guys, I'm posting multiple videos every single week teaching you how to make money online completely for free. So to never miss out on any of my future uploads, also make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So as soon as I release a brand new money making video, you got to watch it right away and make the most amount of money with it. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do is just go to Google and look for exactly this website right here. Google Translate, just hit search and then just go to this website right here. And as you can see, this is a simple tool created by Google that you can use for free to translate anything from one language to another instantly just by writing it in there. Now I believe many of you already know this tool or have used it previously, but for those of you who do not know what this is and how it works, what you want to do is just simply select one language you want to translate from and another language you want to translate to. So for example, let's translate something from English to French. Then just simply write there what you want to translate. So for example, good morning everybody, and instantly you get this French translation right here. So you see you can use this to translate anything from one language to another very easily. Now actually, you may be asking yourself right now how to make money with this. What you need to do to make money with this is enroll in your local college, study for 4 years, then get licensed as a translator. And now I'm just joking. There's way easier way to make money with this, and it's going to take just a couple of minutes to set up, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. What you want to do is just simply go to this site that's called CPAgrip.com. Just go to CPAgrip, and if you've been here before, you may want to skip this step, but if you're here for the first time, you need to sign up for your free account. Just simply click on register, and all you have to do is just fill in a bunch of your personal details that I can't do for you. And also there's only one simple catch in this website's registration, and you need to select publisher type and select either this website or GPT. That way your account will get approved instantly. If you're going to select email or other, you will not get approved instantly and you have to wait and do additional verification process. But if you select GPT or website, you get approved right away and can move on with this method. Then just simply fill in the rest of these fields and also make sure to tick these 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3, and click on register now. Once you do that, just simply click on login. And once you log into your account, you can see this public chat board right here where people are showing their earnings. So for example, this person right here has earned over $5,600 doing methods similar to this one I'm going to show you. If you scroll a little bit up, you can see there's serious money to be made. For example, over $15,000 this person has made. And if we're going to go a little bit more up, you can see there's some big whales right here, $187,000 with little over 100,000 completions. And all of this is possible just doing this method that I'm showing you in this video. What you want to do is just go to this toolbar right here, go to offers, click on my offers, and here you can see all the offers that you can promote for United States that are going to be paying you anywhere between 38 cents up to $2. Now if you're going to filter by payout, you can see the top paying offer for United States is going to pay you $2.06 for every completion that you're going to get. Now this is not a bad payout for CPA offer, okay? But you need to get a lot of completions for these offers to get the same amount of money that I've been showing you earlier. What you want to actually do is just go to this section where it says country and look for something, for example, like France. Filter by France, and if you're going to check this out and filter it by payout, you can see that these top offers are paying $23.10 for each of these completions. So this is literally 10 times the money for the same amount of work. Now the catch with this is, and also that's the reason why these payouts are so huge, is because these offers are available in France only. And because most of the people in France don't speak English, they speak French, not many people are actually willing to promote these offers because they don't speak any French. But this is actually the part where we are going to utilize Google Translate to be able to promote these offers in France and get paid $23.10 for every single completion that you're going to get. Now as you can see right here, this is some kind of offer promoting 2 tickets to Disneyland. What I assume from this text right here is you can get 2 tickets for Disneyland if you're going to apply, if you're going to fill out these couple of fields right here. And I'm assuming this is some kind of giveaway. When you're going to register for a chance to win, you need to fill in your phone number and you get a chance to win 2 tickets to Disneyland. Now what you want to do to promote this in France and actually get French people to complete this offer, you need to create an advertisement with the link to this offer. To do that, just simply go to this link right here, click on copy link. Then what you want to do is just go to bit.ly.com or any other link shortener out there you may want to use, but I highly recommend using bit.ly because if you're going to click on create new, paste your link right here into this section, and as you can see right here, you can customize the back half of the link. So first part is going to be bit.ly and the second part is going to be anything that you want it to be. This is very important because you need to make this link appealing to the eye. You don't want for your link to be just this mashup of random numbers and letters. You want it to be actually something that's going to appeal to the eye. So for that reason, I highly recommend you use bit.ly for this. And for this custom back half, you want to use something from the CPA offer to make it appealing to the eye. So for example, this is giveaway for 2 tickets to Disneyland. So I'm just going to copy this entire part, 2 tickets for Disneyland, write it here, 2 tickets for Disneyland, something like this. Okay, then just simply click on create down here and your link is going to get created and it's going to look something like this, bit.ly/2 tickets for Disneyland. This is exactly what you want your link to look like. You don't have to use these exact 2 words that I did. Just go to CPA offer and pick something from the image of the offer. Once you do that, just copy this link right here. Then once you copy your link, you want to go to this website right here, the name of which I'm going to give you in a couple of seconds, but first of all I'm going to show you how it works. You can see right here in this banner that this website will deliver over 1,000 clicks to your website every 3 days for free. So this means literally 1,000 clicks will get to your link that you're going to promote using this website. And the best part is you can select country from which country you want those clicks to be from completely for free. So to use this website, just simply click on sign up right here, type in your first name and email address, then just click on join. Once you get your account, just simply click on login. And once you log into your account, you get to create a very simple advertisement campaign completely for free. So what you want to do is just simply paste the custom link you have created on bit.ly right here, click on add a website, and now you need to create a simple title and 2 lines of text for the advertisement. Now because we are going to be promoting this in France, this text needs to be in French, but because I don't speak French myself, this is where Google Translate comes in and it's going to make this a lot of easier for us. So what you want to do is just simply go to Google Translate and translate something like this, 2 tickets giveaway or something from the CPA offer. Just go to CPA offer, and if you're looking different offer than I am, just take something from the CPA offer that's very short, then just translate it to French or whatever language you're going to promote your offer for, and then just copy it, go back to this website, then paste it in the title, something like this. Okay, make sure to not make this title too long because it's not going to allow for a lot of characters. So for example, if I were to add a couple more, you can see that this is the maximum allowed number of characters that you can use for your title. So I'm just going to use this as a title, then go back to Google Translate and I'm going to translate something like this: apply for a chance to win 2 tickets to Disneyland. Then just copy this part, go back to this website and paste it into add line 1, and as you can see, it's not going to allow me to post the entire sentence, so I'm just going to split it in parts. So last word is chance, then I'm going to copy just this second part right here, paste it into the add line number 2, and this is exactly what it's going to look like. And you can see right here that this is how it's going to look like. Now what you want to do is go to this part where it says language of your ad and web page. Obviously you need to select French if you're going to be promoting this for France. Then just scroll down here and you can see you need to select which country you want your clicks to come from. So just simply type in France, simply just like that, and then what you want to do is just simply save campaign right here, and just like that your advertisement is going to get posted. Now the name of the website is TrafficAdBar. Just go to TrafficAdBar.com, and you can post this type of advertisements here completely for free. Now as you can see right here, these French offers are paying over $20 for each of these completions, and if you're going to scroll down, you can see there's less payout for different offers, but all of these can be promoted only in France. If you don't speak French, you need to use Google Translate to promote these offers efficiently, and for each of these conversions you're going to be paid over $20. Now you don't have to do this only for France. If you're going to check out other countries too, for example, let's check Italy, go to Italian offers, and if you filter by payout, you can see these are paying almost $20 as well. You can do this for Italy too and make decent amount of money. And also if you're going to check, for example, offers available only in Spain, you can see they have pretty nice payout too. Now French ones have the highest payout because not that many people are promoting this in French using French language, and that's exactly the opportunity for you to step in, use Google Translate to promote this very efficiently and make over $20 for each completion that you're going to get. And that's it guys, this is how easily you can make $20, over $20 every 10 minutes just by using Google Translate. Now just go ahead, go out there, put this method to work, and after you make some money with it, return to this video and down in the comments do let me know how much money you have made using this. And now if you want to see completely different method how you can make money on the internet using AI, check out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day. Check out this video right here and I will see you there.